In a move that's stirring nostalgia across generations, Smriti Irani, the face that once redefined Indian television, is stepping back into the spotlight as Tulsi Virani in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi 2. The legendary saga, which first graced our screens 25 years ago, returns on July 3rd this year, bringing with it the promise of drama, emotion, and the enduring charm of an unforgettable era. Once the undisputed queen of Indian soap opera, Smriti Irani transitioned from real to real power, emerging as one of India's most influential political voices. In 2014, she made headlines by becoming the youngest member of the Union Cabinet entrusted with the Ministry of Human Resource Development at just the age of 38. Over the years, she helmed significant portfolios: textiles, women and child development, leaving her mark not just through policy, but with her razor-sharp intellect and fiery speeches that echoed through the corridors of Parliament. Smriti Irani earned the title of Ameethi's new giant killer after her stunning victory over senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in the 2019 general elections. Her win shocked political circles and marked a significant shift in one of India's most high-profile constituencies. Now, after stepping away from the world of politics, Irani is making a return that's as symbolic as it is spectacular. With a commanding voice and unmistakable screen presence, she is once again ready to inhabit the role that made her a household name. According to confirmed reports, Irani signed the dotted line on June 8th, following a much-anticipated meeting with producer Ekta Kapoor. This marks her official return on fiction television after nearly 2 decades. Also returning is Amar Upadhyay, the original Mihir Virani. Their recent appearance at Ekta Kapoor's birthday bash alongside familiar faces like Karishma Tanna, Anita Hassanandani has fueled whispers of a larger reunion of the show's original ensemble. Set to premiere exactly 25 years after the original show's debut, the new season comes with 150 episodes lined up and is expected to release both on television and a major OTT platform. To celebrate the comeback, the first episode will feature a special appearance by none other than veteran actor Jitendra, adding a golden stamp of legacy to this revival. Though no longer a cabinet minister, Smriti Irani's stature remains towering. Shooting is being conducted under tight Z+ security with strict protocols in place. Proof that this isn't just another television comeback, but a cultural movement in the making. Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi wasn't just a show, but a phenomena which shaped conversations in our living rooms, defined ideals of family, and created stars. At the center of it all stood Tulsi Virani, resilient, righteous, and radiant. Now as Smriti Irani returns to the role that started it all, she brings with her not just nostalgia, but a renewed sense of purpose. From an award-winning actress to a fiery parliamentarian, and now back to where it all began, Smriti Irani's story is one of remarkable legacy. And as the countdown to July 3rd begins, one thing is clear: Tulsi is ready, and so are we.